Hello there, this is Elliot Gemalto talking about license models of Sentinel EMS Enterprise, and now I would like to show you a license model of trial network node locked. What does it mean? Trial, first of all, trial means that this license is going to be just for end users to try your application, your protected application, for a specific limited time, like 30 days, 40 days, or maybe 10 hours if you would like. Then it says network. Network means that the license will reside on some server, and therefore several end users from different machines will be able to use this one license. So the license will have concurrency in order to serve several end users in parallel. Then it says node locked. That means that the license where it resides will have to be only on a specific machine that we as a software vendor had permission for that machine to be using this license. So in that way, as a software vendor, I make sure that this license will reside only on one specific server machine according to what I have approved. So as you know, talking about license models, we never use the license model. We just, if we want, we create a new one, but we don't have an option to create a new, we just copy. So I have to copy. Let's just create some name here that will talk about what is the license. And then user node locking. Do you want also not only the server to be locked, meaning that only the license will be able to work only on specific server machine according to its fingerprint? Do you want also that some of the end users using from their own clients also will be needing a specific machines where to connect to this license in the server? If not, you can leave it in the default, which is 0, meaning no, I don't know any end user client to also have a specific fingerprint for the specific machines. They can use the license from any machine they want. But if you had wanted to have also a fingerprint for specific end users machines for the clients, you could write here, for instance, yes, I allow 3 machines and I provide these details for these 3 machines, but let's leave it back to the 0. This is important. Since we are talking about node locked for network, it means that in the server I want to make sure that the license in the server will be only for a specific machine according to its fingerprint. So I can have primary and make sure that, for instance, it's disk ID, the fingerprint, or I can change it. For instance, I want disk ID and hard disk, or maybe let's say processor ID. So I have 2 things that I want them to be the criteria in which I check the fingerprint of the machine. So I have now 2 criteria. Limit. There are several things. I've talked about it on another video, so you might look there. User limit is 100. Let's say I'm enough with 40 end users, parallel end users, to use this license. Time, start date, let's say doesn't matter, but maybe the end date I want it to be, let's say, until 2015, 1st August. So this means that the license will never be used after August 2005. but look here, you have a duration of, let's say, 45 days. So 45 days you are able to use this license starting from the first day that you are starting the license consumption. But any case, it doesn't matter when you start, any case, you will not be able to use the license after August 2005. And there are other things that are not important right now. I can save it, so I have the license module saved and ready for me to be used later on. Thank you for watching.